In this presentation, Kofi shows his dislike for flexible ductwork. The scene is in the kitchen, where a flexible duct is installed between the wall and the exhaust fan. What has been thrusted upon Kofi is a code violation. The maintenance was prompted because Kofi heard an odd noise when the exhaust fan was powered. And one other thing. What was strange was the timing of the noise. The noise came from the damper closing, which did not correspond to the noise from the damper opening. When opening, there would be two pops, each half of the damper opening. When the fan is turned off, only one pop occurs. Maybe the damper did not close entirely. The other thing is the exhaust vent is not performing as expected. It's time to find out what went wrong. The exhaust fan is powered. Only one side of the damper opened. The other is stuck. There is some debris, but there is also some grease. A good cleaning will fix this problem. This is what should happen when the fan is powered. There was preparation before this preparation. To get the solid exhaust pipe through the wall, Kofi had to remove a stud and build a header. More on this later. First, the removal of the old line. The contractor did a good job getting it through the wall, but those curves are not workable for a solid exhaust pipe. The hole under the shelf is likened a star to a captain of the sea. Kofi will use this as a guide to place a large diameter hole, allowing the 6-inch pipe to pass through the wall. One more point of preparation is left, but it's deferred until the last moment. With measurements taken, some cuts to the duct need to be made. The easiest way for Kofi is to flatten the duct and then cut along an invisible line using a guide. The first segment of the pipe is installed. Recall the damper was not opening properly. Let's see if this concern is put to rest. This is excellent. This is DIY quality. These are some minor adjustments to make the pipe vertical at 90 degrees. The top is done, but so it is with the bottom. Cool, very cool. Not cool. Cleanup can be a fun process, and in this case, it is. The prediction is the damper will perform much better. The thing about flexible ducts is they should not span more than 8 feet. That is a very specific purpose. Their use is limited to connecting the rigid duct to an appliance or navigating tight spaces. The flexible duct used, although beefier than the typical flex duct and addresses some shortcomings, nevertheless, it should not be in a place where it cannot be easily maintained. For one, when the flex duct ages, it gets brittle and its maintenance will cause rips. Rigid ductwork, when it comes to exhaust, does also have limitations. It should not span in total more than 35 feet. This is the preparation which has been deferred. The replacement of the plastic exhaust vent. These vents are not ideal. Kofi has witnessed several malfunctions, such as louvers kept open. Today, Kofi installed the exhaust vent, which should be the standard. That is, there should be only one vent style, and this is it. This vent is made from all aluminum and has a high gloss finish. It is indeed high class. The louvers open and close together as they are bonded together. It will not fail to open or close. Heavier rains or winds will not damage this vent. With the plastic vent, it's best to change it every 2 years. With this, it's one and done. The last thing that needs to be done is the penetrations Kofi made has to be sealed. But instead of showing you such footage, Kofi decided to ask you to subscribe instead. The day is won.
My name is Jay Lopez, and I'm the owner of Kleenex. Today I'm going to be walking you through how we clean the kitchen exhaust system in the restaurant.